Alright, so today we're working on a gazebo. I believe it is 12 by 12 or 10 by 12. This is it right here. It's a hard top, middle top. It has two curtains. It has the mosquito curtain and then the regular curtain right here. Alright, so this is the second part of building a gazebo, is separating everything. This is the legs right here. This is the side things that's gonna go on the side across four sides. So these two just joint together with this right here. For the separate pieces, this is all for up top right here. This is all for the top. This is right here for the side for support. Then you have all your top roofing panels right here. And then what's really gonna make the job faster is having a drill, two drills, because you're gonna need two people, and then just stuffing the screws in your pocket that you need. So just ready to go. You don't have to keep going back and forth. The way you put these in, you just slide it in. Most of them the same way, just put these four in and you're good. And then remember to slide it in with this little screw thing facing the bottom. All right, so we attach the bottom pieces here. Let's see, bottom pieces right here. But so most gazebos already come with this attached. Another thing that made the job go faster is having these right here, these attachments for the drills. All right, so now we're gonna attach these to the poles. And what we do is just spread the poles out where it needs to be, sorta, and then just move quick to get these on there. Now we're here at the corner, so it has 4 screws you have to put in. Now sometimes, since it's not screwed in yet, it might be off. Like this, the pole itself might be twisted up a little bit. So you can just like kick it, move it around here, try to get this so it'll be like straight, so you won't have any problems putting in the screws. And now we have this piece. This is the corner piece that covers this up right here. You basically just slide in there, and you put 2 screws at the bottom and 2 screws at the. All right, so now we have almost most of the frame up. You have to attach this piece right here, this little, you want to say L-shaped piece, with 2 small screws here and 1 regular screw right here. We did that for every corner, and then for up top. Now we are going to start installing some of these, and then these right here, which go all around here, is attached to these screws right here, all around. All right, so we got the full frame on there, and then this one was a little bit different. So this thing right here just slides right in, kind of like, once it slides in, it kind of like locks in. Same thing up here. Right here, we are attaching the top parts, and the top parts don't have screws, so this piece right here is what will hold it in. So as you can see right now, it's sitting still, but if it kept sliding down, you have to attach this piece first, and then like leave it real loose and work your way in there. That's it. All right, so now we have the top on there, nice and secure. Now it's time to move on to the bigger pieces. So this is the key to have everything organized. You can just come back and forth. You need these 2 pieces right here. Come grab these 2, put them up, come back, grab the other one. So everything's organized. We already know exactly where we need to go. All right, so with this setup, with these just sitting there, you can see some of them may not line up perfectly. So what we gotta do is slowly put the screws in there one by one. And then once we have them all in, we'll tighten them up. Then another issue we have is up here. Sometimes these little root things get caught up at the top, at the very top right there. It'll be hitting the top, and you'll need a second person to help you push it down and put it in there. Now we have the net that goes up here secured with screws here. All right, so now we have all the pieces that belong at the end. We have them all on there. All right, so now we're working on the curtains. So the main cover curtain will go first, meaning on the first row, which is back here. And then the net will go on the back row, which is right there.